Hey there, looking to unlock the full power of Snapseed right on your desktop? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to get this app up and running on your PC, followed by a quick tour of its best features. Stick around. To power this app up, we'll be relying on an emulator. You can track down the absolute top choice over on our website. Once you've got it installed and running, simply fire up the built-in App Store and download the software just like you would on a smartphone. I've just opened up a fresh editing workspace to double check that the software is performing smoothly on my rig.
The app feels great on my PC, and all the smart AI tools are responding flawlessly. Thanks for checking out this quick breakdown. Hope you got the answers you were looking for. Don't forget to swing by our website to grab your emulator install.